we're testing the audio, we're testing the video. Go Stefano.
I have to say
Speak
that,
randomly.
the new apartment of Domenico, our new house, their new house and my new bar. It's very nice. The area is good. Just a bit difficult to find some ice. Took me approximately 20 minutes to find it.
What are we up to today? What are we making?
Probably we're gonna make some cocktails.
Probably.
Depends.
Probably. First time for Stefano in the new bar. First time me with Stefano making the cocktails in the new bar. We're filming new episodes for some new brands that we involve in our consultancy. But most importantly, we're filming new webinars to onto the website. So we renew our invite you to subscribe and join the webinar. Watch all the video courses.
Yeah.
We ready?
I have a mustache now.
He's got new stuff, so even better videos, even more quality. Here we come.
Brandy back. We're going to caramelize the figs first, then we're gonna wash it with the coconut water.
Okay. In the meantime, we said we're using figs and we cannot be here using stuff if we don't take pictures of it. Voila. And what I'm trying to make a vlog out of it as well. Always in love with YouTube, always love to create content before creating the content. So this is just a few behind the scenes of the webinar. Just stick around here on YouTube, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and enjoy these trailers where we also show you something fun and we show you how we make things and how we make things happen and how we make things reality. Alright? Stay with us. As I said, we're making contents, we're making cocktails because we're building a catalog that goes on a website on Dedycated.co.uk, and then all of this will be chosen by people who will hire us as a consultant. They will then have a look on the catalog, have a look at the cocktails that we do, with the products that we use, and they can just easily say, I want you to teach me how to make this drink, and that other drink. So here more or less in a few words how it works.
We're gonna wait until we reach more or less 80 to 85 degrees and then we're gonna add the sugar. Good afternoon, welcome to our course. So today I'm gonna present you a twist on an El Diablo. My first time using Mockingbird. It is a non-alcoholic agave spirit. And why did I choose the El Diablo? Because it's a cocktail that nobody thinks about, especially these days where you think about agave and your mind goes straight to margarita or a paloma or any similar drinks to that. Mockingbird is this non-alcoholic spirit made 100% from agave blue and ashwagandha, which is a kind of a ginseng, so very aromatic and very nice. To make this lovely drink, you will need apple juice, fiori di hibisco, and pimiento tonic syrup, obviously using Mockingbird. And to give it a nice citric taste, we're gonna add half a spoon of citric acid and we're gonna top it up with hibiscus soda. So we're gonna be using 10 milliliters of this pimiento tonic syrup. Then we're gonna have, instead of the creme de cassis that you can find in the original recipe, we're gonna have 15 milliliters fiori di hibisco and our main ingredient, Mockingbird, 60 milliliters. Just to balance the drink, instead of using lemon juice or lime, I'm using citric acid, easily found everywhere. And why did I choose to use citric acid? Because this drink you can pre-batch it and carbonate it if you have a carbonation system. No more than half a spoon. It's very strong. This will work exactly like lemon or lime, so it's gonna balance my sweet, the sweet of the pimento syrup and the rest of the ingredients. Make sure your shaker is always full. You need to control your dilution, so you don't need half shaker full of ice. You need the full shaker full of ice, otherwise you're gonna end up with an over diluted drink and not at the right temperature, okay? So here I have my glass ready. I'm not gonna garnish it and just created this crasta with some custard sugar and pandan powder, just to counter again the citric acid that can be overwhelming, and the pomegranate and hibiscus soda might be too acidic. So once you find it too acidic for yourself, just drink it from this side, you're gonna have some sugar. Sister soda from Franklin's and Son.